President Museveni obwabera ari omukyanga kya Teso hamwe na Karamoja akaragira ko abanyamakuru b'ebyange batayira bahinje omutano mu ihanga rero batandike nabo kushomesa abantu bo mu byanga byabo empingero kubingo bworo.
Ministers like him are farmers, so they also have a plan of being farmers, but model farmers. So Mzee directed that we, among other places, we bring them here so that they can learn a lesson or two and go back and transform their lives and their communities.
Journalists from the East, we suffer the most. You look at the money that you paid in a month, it is not big money. So at the end of it, you're working day in, day out. At the end of the month, you have something small for the pocket, you end up eating, and year in, year out, you remain the same kind of a person.
Hataba baramwire faamu ya Minister mwezi w'ebyanga Byamukama eyakamanyirefo eka demonstration faamu erukushangwa Chikwaya omu district ya Kakumiro. Minister Byamukama barambuiza omusoro gw'inanasi oguri aha kicweka kya hiika omwani ente z'omu biju enkoko hamwe n'empono z'omu biju.
I started with 1,000 birds, but these 1,000 birds, our veterinary officers of the sub-county, the veterinary officers whatsoever, the man confused me, didn't know what he was doing. Out of 1,000, I lost 700. Yes. Why I lost 700? You know, so when they are young, they fall sick. We normally bring at 1 day.
Byamukama nagirango empinga ejini nungi abo kuba n'omukiyiko runingo muguruse najibasa bito bashanjira uburemezi bw'empina yenduka y'obwire hamwe n'abayingisa ba government abatakumaye kibine kukora mu bukwatire no bahabuzo mbyo kuhinga.
Someone came did the insemination and they paid. He told me this cow now is fertilized. I was waiting for the calf. Now towards the present visit, another doctor tells me this cow was not fertilized. After waiting for 7 months. You see? So our people, sometimes because of the corruption we have at these service commissions, they don't recruit the right people.
Nabalaga embizi, nabalaga omwanyi, nabalaga ebitooke, so bagenze basanyuse nnyo nga babuuza nsigo bagala kutandikirawo. Tulowooza nti abaana nga bano bagenda ne bakozesa kamera zaabwe, bakozesa peni zaabwe mu lutalo olw'okulwanyisa obwavu n'ebbula ly'emirimu, kutondawo mirimo, emmere, tugenda kukola kintu ky'amaanyi nnyo.
Bamu mu banyamakuru abarumustera Akiya oli omukozi wa Vision Group ha radio ya Etop mu Teso hamwe n'abandi basimira President Museveni abo kubashomesa.
Committing yourself to doing it. You have seen it, but are you willing to do it? So I have mainly learned that I can do something. In fact, what I thought of going for is dairy. I want to believe dairy does not require big land. It even doesn't require a lot of labor. Even me as a single person, I can manage it, basing on what I've heard from the few farmers who are successful.
We also need to have a saving culture. We are supposed to save. When you get this 1 million of PDM, save for something tomorrow. Don't finish drinking, spending, buying expensive clothes.
And then also I've admired the coffee. And I will not really forget to make sure that I will have to plant coffee in this first season that is coming. Always in Nakapiriprit or in Karamoja, we do have one season, but we have realized that we need the second season.
Gasha kwa mrozi nwagaba katoto.